Good morning, everybody. So this is like the third or fourth test on the boat motor. I have put a electric fuel pump in it, bypassing the mechanical fuel pump, which I suspect was my problem. So we're about to find out. Let's go. Alrighty, do just like we did before. I let her run at an idle for about 4 minutes, 4 or 5 minutes. All right, it's been over 4 minutes. It's been idling just fine. Let's take her up into high RPMs and see how it runs. Well, that seems to have fixed it. Although there is it's like the motor's missing or something. There's an odd feeling to it. I don't know if it's coming out on the video or not, but let's do this again. Doesn't feel hot. Something definitely not 100%. All right, that didn't sound good. Turn the fuel pump off. It doesn't feel hot. No, it doesn't feel hot. I'm not seeing any leaks of fuel. Let's try this again. There's that old familiar sound. And that was, well, that sucks. Let's see, where's our bulb at? Yep. Oh, well, shit. We didn't have the fuel pump on. All right. That's still a new thing. Well, so fuel pump wiring. Ouch, boy, is that hot. Was melting. So I'd say we have a successful test yet. We got some problems still. All right, I guess I need to get some marine grade wiring or something. I don't know.